How to change name on Lyft. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change your username. First of all, open the application. So this interface will pop up. Now here on the right bottom, you can see your profile icon. Simply tap on your profile icon. So you're in your profile settings. Now on the top, you'll be able to see view profile. Simply tap on view profile. Now here on the right top, you can see this edit button. Simply tap on this edit button. So these are the profiles that you can edit. Now on the top you'll be able to see your name. Simply tap on it. Now you can easily change your name and save it. So you can change it to anything. So here I'm typing on one, and here on the bottom you can see this save button. Simply tap on save. So if you go back, it's completely updated. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.